Alright, so this short list of companies probably wouldn't exist today and be still successful and thriving today had the owners not taking out a loan on their personal life insurance policies. So probably the biggest one out of this very short list is the Walt Disney Company, JCPenney, McDonald's, Foster Farms. And those companies are still around today. They're still successful. And that's how the wealthy do it. But it's not, those options are not just available to the wealthy, to the ultra rich. Those options are available to you too. And just like I've mentioned on previous videos, when we're all growing up, a lot of people tell us to save money. And sometimes people will even go a little further and tell us how to do it. But for many of us, that's not necessarily the case. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm just going to give you a very brief breakdown on how a IUL works. Your IUL money will be tied to the market index, like the S&P 500. And when the market goes up, your IUL account will be credited those gains. And there's a cap to it, but they will be credited those gains. When the market crashes, when the market goes down, your IUL policy, your account will not lose what is currently in there or what it's gained either. So it's basically protected from any loss whatsoever. It literally has a zero floor, meaning you cannot lose, you can only gain what you've gained from the market. And the part that changed for me, which ultimately resulted in me and my wife getting an IUL policy for ourselves and for our youngest child, is when we realized that you don't have to pass away. It might be a life insurance policy, but you don't have to pass away to actually be able to benefit from those gains on an IUL policy. You actually have access to them while you're still alive, and you don't have to be on your deathbed or anything like that so that you can be able to qualify for it. You can actually use it for home renovations, debt consolidation, a retirement plan, anything that you could want or need from that money. You can get it and have access to it tax-free. And on this video and on previous video, I always talk about a savings strategy or a strategy to protect your legacy, a financial plan. And that this is the difference between a savings plan and a actual strategy. If you want me to break down how this can work for your specific situation, comment the word legacy below and I'll contact you. That way we can have a no obligation conversation just so that we can figure out what are the best options available for you.